If you're renting right now in North Fort Worth and you think buying a home might be out of reach, take a look at this. This home is $278,000. It's finished, it's available right now, and you're looking at just $9,000 down.
For this program, a 640 credit score and 3.5% down. With no other monthly debt, about $64,000 a year combined. 2 buyers at $32,000 each gets you there. 1,325 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all on 1 story.
Open living, dining, and kitchen. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and luxury vinyl plank flooring.
The primary bedroom is separated from the other 2, and you get the Home is Connected Smart Home package. Outside full sod, a sprinkler system, and a 6-foot stained fence, so you are not spending thousands finishing the yard. Here's the big number. At 4.99% on a 30-year fixed, about $2,240 a month all in. Principal, interest, taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance, and HOA, $9,765 down in Justin Northwest ISD. If you are renting, you might be closer than you think. Text me, 214-449-9978.